Today we shall discuss about problems on first module. This is the first problem. We shall solve the problem on force voltage and force current method. Okay, that is a given diagram. There is a given diagram and we need to draw the physical system and equivalent mechanical system. See here, mass will be displaced by amount x. Okay, mass is connected. If mass exists, then there is a displacement exist. Okay, force f of t is a force is equal to mass into acceleration. Okay, write the in physical system where mass exists, write the x of t. That means x of t is, it is, mass will be displaced by amount x. Okay, that is x of t, and k and b also is connected for x of t. So draw the equivalent mechanical system. X of t is, for x of t, how many are connected? K is connected, mass is connected. K is nothing but spring. Okay, spring. And B is nothing but friction. Okay, friction and K and mass. Okay, yeah, x of t is connected for f of t, mass, K and friction. Draw equivalent mechanical system. Next, write the equation for that. Okay, f of t is equal to m into d square x of t divided by dt square. For mass we will write double integration. Okay, m into d square x of t divided by dt square plus k into, for spring we will write x of t, for friction we will write dx of t divided by dt. It is a standard. Okay, if mass exists we will write the double derivative of distance. Okay, now if spring exists then we will write only directly displacement. If friction, then friction into differentiation of displacement. Okay, that is dx of t divided by dt. Next, taking Laplace. If you take Laplace, then you'll get f of s is equal to m s square x of s plus k into x of s plus b into s into x of s. From that, if you take out x of s common, then you'll get ms square plus k plus bs. Okay, next, first draw physical system and equivalent mechanical system and write equation for that. Now we are going, that equation we are converting into force voltage. Okay, in force voltage, mass is replaced by inductance and B, that is friction is replaced by friction is replaced by resistance, and spring is replaced by 1 divided by C, that is capacitance. X is replaced by Q and dx by dt is replaced by dq by dt, because we are here charge. Okay, and q means charge. Dx by dt we are replacing as dq by dt, or I. X we are replacing x as integration of dit, integration of I into dt, and d square x divided by dt square we are replacing to di by dt. Okay, now you know, for instead of m b k x dx by dt, what to replace. Okay, now replace the equation f of s equation, you replace. Okay, that means f of s, instead of f of s we are converting into force to voltage. Okay, we are converting force to voltage. That means f of s, instead of f of t we will write v of t. Okay, v of t is equal to, instead of m we will write L, instead of d square x of t divided by dt square we will write di by dt, plus instead of k 1 by c, instead of x of t we will write integration of I into dt, plus instead of b r, instead of dx of dt divided by dt, we will write I. Okay, that is what v of t is equal to L di by dt plus 1 by c integration of I into dt plus ri. Okay, that is after replacing this after we are converting force to voltage method. Okay, this is the conversion. Now taking Laplace. Okay, after taking Laplace, you'll get v of s is equal to s L I of s plus I of s divided by sc plus I of s into r. For that we are writing, for that we need to draw the circuit. Okay, we need to draw the equivalent circuit. You can see here, if we write the equation by using the diagram, you'll get the same equation, that is v of t is equal to L into di by dt. Okay, di by dt plus 1 by c integration of I into dt plus ri. Okay, like that it should be, diagram should be. Okay, next force current method. Till now we have done force voltage method. Now force current method. Here opposite to that, if we in force voltage we will use, instead of mass, L, but here instead of mass we will use capacitance. Okay, instead of mass, capacitance I have mentioned. Instead of what m, we need to replace c, and instead of b 1 by r, instead of k 1 by L. Okay, I have written, you can see. Next I of t. Okay, we are converting force to current method. Instead of f of t we will write I of t. Next is equal to c. Instead of m we have written here c. Okay, because this is force current method. C into dv of t divided by dt plus 1 by r v of t plus 1 by L integration of v of t into dt. Next, taking Laplace for that, I of s is equal to sc into v of s plus 1 by r into v of s plus 1 by sl into v of s. You can observe, for voltage method, force voltage method, you will get a equivalent circuit. Most of the inductance, capacitance will be in series. Okay, but when you compare to force current method, this will be in parallel. Okay, this is a current method, force current method, so you'll get in parallel. Capacitance, inductance, resistance will be in parallel. Okay, thank you.